Looking for a simple way to melt butter, chocolate, or beat eggs without the hassle? This 3-cup microwave container is designed to make your kitchen tasks smoother and cleaner. It's microwave and dishwasher safe, with clear interior marks that help you measure ingredients effortlessly. Made without BPA or melamine, this container keeps your food safe while adding a splash of color and durability to your kitchen routine. Its compact size fits perfectly in your hand, making stirring and pouring easier than ever. No more struggling with bulky bowls or messy spills. One standout feature is the pouring spout, which drastically reduces kitchen mess. Whether you're tempering chocolate or melting butter bit by bit, this container lets you do it all with precision. It's especially handy for delicate tasks where temperature control matters. Customers across the United States have praised this product for its reliability and convenience. One chocolate-making enthusiast shared how this container became essential during the pandemic. Its plastic design heats just right, unlike glass, which can get too hot and risk burning your ingredients. If you enjoy cooking or baking, this container offers real benefits: easy cleanup, accurate measuring, and safe microwave use. It's a small tool that makes a big difference in your kitchen, helping you save time and avoid frustration. Worth a look if you want a dependable, colorful, and functional kitchen helper that stands up to everyday use. It's dishwasher safe, so cleanup is quick, letting you focus on the fun part, creating delicious treats. If that's you, consider adding this 3-cup microwave container to your kitchen essentials. It's a practical choice for anyone who melts, mixes, or measures ingredients regularly. Try it when you're ready to simplify your cooking process and keep your kitchen tidy.